In this video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and start playing Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. To gain access to this game, you'll first need to download the Steam application. Head to steam.com. I will leave Steam link in description, download it, and create an account if you haven't done so already. Now, to find the game, go to your store located in the top left-hand corner. In the top right-hand corner, type in the name of the game you're looking for, which is Need for Speed Most Wanted. Currently, there are two options available: a subscription at $6.99 a month or the option to buy the game outright. Click on Add to Cart, and on the next page, you can make your purchase. Once you've purchased the game, you can proceed to install it. To access the game after installation, go to your library on the left-hand side. Scroll down, double-click on the game, and voila, you can start playing. Follow these simple steps to enjoy the thrill of Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video, and thanks for watching.